You almost always pick the best times to drop the worst lines. You almost made me cry again this time. Another false alarm, red flashing lights. Well, this time I'm not going to watch myself die. I think I made it again to play your game and let myself cry. I buried myself alive on the inside so I could shut you out and let you go away for a long time. I guess it's okay, I built to take you away. I guess it's better you dropped yourself in your own way. And if you want me back, you gotta have to ask. I think the chain broke away and I felt it today that I had my own time. I took advantage of myself and felt fine, but it was worth the night. I caught an early flight and I made it home.